Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BPTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis a couple days ago, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. Like I said, I don't mean to state the obvious, but crazy price movement, and then you look down here at the volume. Insane volume. I traded it today, and I'm sure plenty of people across the market traded it, so by no means am I in some sort of unique situation, but I know that I will be watching it again tomorrow. So let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out here and updated. The first update that does need to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So I'm not saying that the price is, dropping down at 830. I'm just saying that going into today, 830 was that level of resistance, and you can see that earlier on in the day when that level was broken, that was essentially what unleashed the floodgates, and up it went from that point. So a nice little example there of the technical breakout. So that's going to be the overall level. I'm just going to go ahead and use this line because yeah, this level down here, sure, that's still a level of support. It's just not really relevant right now, and I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines everywhere. More of a near-term area of support that revealed itself today right there at the $11 mark. You can see a couple times mid-afternoon there was the pullback, and each and every time the price held very firmly right at 11. So that's certainly an area that I'll be watching tomorrow. Am I saying it's guaranteed to hold? I only wish that there is guarantees in the market. But like I said, as far as history is telling us right now, clearly people are willing to buy at 11. So I'm going to keep an eye on that. The other level to keep an eye on is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. Eventually, at some point, either Thursday or Friday, that line is going to move itself and get up above the 830 mark. So at that point, that'll take a higher level of priority. But like I said, from a big picture perspective, as far as supports are concerned, the ones I'll be watching are at 11, $8.30, and then that 50-period moving average. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, nothing complicated here. Every single time the price got right up around the $14.25 mark, give or take, a nickel or so, the price did get rejected back down. So $14.25 will be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, crazy movement, great volume. And like I said, I know I'll be watching it on Thursday. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.